Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to replace this Chevy Key Fob battery replacement used for different years, different models, Chevy Cruze, Malibu, Sony, Camaro, Spark, Volt and more. The battery you will need is a CR2032, very common one, and you can click on the link below to get it online. So, pretty easy. First we have to take the emergency key out by pressing this button right here, side, and here is the emergency key. Once again, press and we take the key out. Now, as you can see right here, okay, so you have two options. First with the emergency key, or you can take a flathead, a big one, and do like that. I just put it in and I turn clockwise, okay, and then just a little bit up and down and it opens. Once again, right here, don't push it all the way in, okay, just a little bit, like that. You turn and you pull up and down, and there we go. You can open the key fob gently, no need to apply a lot of pressure. This is the electronics, we don't want to touch that. Make sure it's in place. Be very gentle. Now to take the battery, small flathead underneath, okay. As I said, the battery is CR2032. Now this is a good one. So face down, I'll put it back in. Sorry. Right here, and I press. Once again, take it out, put it back in, and I press. Now I put everything back together, make sure it clicks, and that's it. No need to reprogram or anything like that. Let us know what you think. Thank you very much.